I'm Joan,
Harry.
and the world is our home.
Yes.
Come live with us as we travel.
Yes.
Canada, Sicily, Thailand, many places. Cooking is for guests is one of our passions.
Yes.
What do guests ask us?
What should we bring for dinner?
And what do we say? The answer is always
Wine is always
Always
good.
good. wine is always,
Always
good.
good. Well, the next morning for brunch would be leftover cold shrimp, little heated up sauce to put on the bread first, and there are raw onions with a little bit of vinegar in it and pepper, a little bit of bok choy, 2 different types of sprouts, and a little bit of basil. Oh baby, this is going to be so good. Add the basil and the onions. Ciao. Oh yeah. Add the shrimp and the bok choy, and on goes a couple of those pieces, those sprouts. Oh, there you go. Well, they're done. And I'm going to put it on the table and we're going to enjoy another nice cold shrimp sandwich with a salad. Oh, baby, that looks good.
Look at this. It's got, like Harry says, it's got all the goodness in there, the shrimp, on the fresh bagel, and a lot of this is like it's raw onion.
Baguette, not a bagel.
Oh yeah, sorry. It's got raw onion, which I really love, and you soaked it in the vinaigrette. And it's got lots of bok choy and sprouts, and we've got broccoli, cauliflower, lots of. The bok choy is cruciferous, so it's a really good variety of vegetables that we need on a daily basis. So, yum.
Ciao.
Ciao.